Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel with Ms. Sheerin. In this video, we'll be diving into part 4 of learning essential cooking terms and phrases commonly used in kitchens. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just getting started in the kitchen, this video will help expand your culinary vocabulary and improve your cooking skills. Let's get started. Introduction. In this video, we'll learn more important words you need for cooking and baking, like tools and cooking methods. Coffee maker. A machine used for brewing coffee. Teapot. A container with a spout used for brewing and serving tea. Bread box. A container used for storing bread and other baked goods. Muffin tin. A metal tray with individual cups used for baking muffins or cupcakes. Spice rack. A storage unit for organizing and storing spices and herbs. Cookie sheet. A flat pan used for baking cookies, with no or very little rim. Rolling pin. A cylindrical tool used for rolling out dough. Apron. A protective garment worn while cooking to prevent stains on clothing. Pot holder. Insulated pads used for handling hot pots, pans, or dishes. oven mitt. A padded cloth, used for handling hot dishes and cookware. Recipe book, a book or collection of recipes for cooking and baking. Cookbook, a book containing recipes, cooking tips, culinary history, ingredient sourcing, and meal planning. Whisk, a kitchen tool with looped wires, used for mixing, whisking, or beating ingredients. Can opener, a device used for opening canned food. Thank you for your time. I hope you found this video helpful in expanding your vocabulary in kitchen. Stay tuned for more cooking knowledge. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber yet. See you next time and happy cooking!